Quick little video, guys. So, just got back from Watches of Switzerland and American Dream Mall, and I just got myself a birthday present, and it is a beautiful Tudor Black Bay 58 39 millimeter, that burgundy dial. Beautiful. Some people call it like the Red Hulk, but I don't really care about the nicknames. I just personally love this watch a lot. And my sales associate, the SA there, is amazing. Catherine is amazing. They also gave me this awesome Tudor hat that I'll most likely wear, to be honest. Born to Dare. So I got Tudor hat to go with it. And then, of course, you come with the Tudor box. And everything comes in. Got my receipt, got my box and papers. Like, the box is just like a Rolex box, just black, which is pretty cool. Ooh, that Rolex box is like just black. Just instead of like everything being kept in the back here, you got a little pocket right here. Got my links, got my hang tag, got other stuff underneath, box cards, everything there. So beautiful setup here. And because I was wearing my Rolex that a lot of people, I don't know why there's a lot of hate towards the Everose Yachtmaster, but because I was wearing that to the AD, and I obviously bought it there, they gave me this Watches of Switzerland carrying case. So unzip, got my Rolex sitting right there. This is my baby, my first one that started my whole addiction to watches. So here it is. This is what it looks like in the carrying case, just like that. You just clasp it in, that, zip, and that's it. And this was a birthday gift to myself. Very happy with this purchase. It was around like a little under 5K, and couldn't be happier. It fits really well in the wrist. The Jubilee bracelet definitely makes it, and like the T-clasp, that's probably like the coolest thing that is about this. I didn't know Tudor does this. Instead of like the micro adjustments that Rolex has, you could just push it down and you could make it tighter, or you can make it looser as you go. So pretty cool. It has like a few adjustments in there. So on those hot days, I can make it tighter. On the other days, I can make it looser. Really nice. I don't know, just really beautiful watch. Check that out. Check that out. Look at that. So again, thank you, Catherine, so much for setting this up, because I was able to get this in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And I know it's not like Rolex where you gotta wait a little bit. There was still a little wait. I gave a deposit to guarantee that I get it, and it took me 2 weeks to get it. Again, big shout out to her for hooking it up, and super happy with this. I know it's not the same content that I usually put out, like with options trading and all that, but I just want to get myself something nice for my 36th birthday, and this was it. And thanks for watching. See you guys very soon. Peace.